students of Standard 10. You are learning geography. In geography, you are learning about water resources. Today, you are going to learn Chapter 5, Water Resources, Part 6. You are learning about the types of irrigation. And there are 3 types of irrigation: canal irrigation, tank irrigation and well irrigation. Today you are going to learn in part 6 about well irrigation. There are 2 types of well: surface well or subsurface well and tube wells. If you see the surface well or subsurface wells, they are the ordinary wells and they are divided into 2 categories. So these are first unlined wells, second lined wells. Unlined wells are also known as kacha well, and it is not lined. It is cheaper to construct and easier to dig any well where there is high water table. So farmers can dig unlined wells in their fields. Second is lined wells. It is known as lined well or pakka wells. It is also easier to construct anywhere where there is high water table. So, according to their area, farmers can dig it at their fields because it is cheaper, it does not occupy a large area and it is not very costly, so they can dig and they can get water for their cultivation of different crops. Here, if you see the advantages of well irrigation, the ordinary wells, they are easy to dig, they are cheaper and they are easily accessible to farmland. Farmer has the capacity to control over water. When he likes to irrigate, he can use it. So there is no misuse of water. If you see the disadvantage of well irrigation, it cannot irrigate large area and it may dry in dry season because they are not very deep, and water in this ordinary well can be polluted. There is polluted water, and when there is dry season, because of high evaporation, they may dry. So that is not useful in dry season. These unlined wells or lined well irrigation, if you look at the map of India, they are useful in northern plain, in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and in other regions also. If you see Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, parts of Rajasthan, they are very useful as farmers can dig well easily and that is cheaper. Second is the tube well irrigation. What is tube well? A deep bore well which is bored with the help of the boring machine and water is drawn with the help of electricity. So this type of tube wells are very important in some of the areas of our country. And these tube wells, for the first time in 1930, Sir William Stan constructed tube well in Ganga Jamuna Doab region. Tube wells are very important. If you see the advantages, it does not occupy a large area that can be utilized for cultivation. It is very deep, so water is pure, not polluted. It does not dry in dry season as they are deep. So Water is available throughout the year and farmers can irrigate a large area. As tube wells are very useful in dry season because they do not dry. They are not affected by the dry season, and in rainy season they are recharged. So there is water throughout the year. And if you see, there are some disadvantages also. It is very expensive for the poor farmer. They cannot construct or set up a tube well because it is costly. It is not possible in the areas where there is water table is very deep in the remote area. So it cannot be constructed. It is also very expensive for the farmers because they cannot afford it. Tube wells can be constructed anyway, but where there is no electricity facility, water cannot be drawn with the help of electricity. So, maneuver, it is giving strain to the man or animal to get water from the deep bore well. So, if we see the areas of tube well, they are very important in the areas where there is high level of water table. If you look at the map of India, tube well irrigation is shown with the yellow color triangles. It is very useful in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and also they are useful in other states like West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So, you have learned the types of irrigation, canal irrigation, tank irrigation and well or tube well irrigation. Thank you.